In this video, I'll show you how to get your own custom license plate in GTA 5 and add it to your cars. So first off, we start up in GTA 5 and we need to join an online session in GTA 5. After you're inside an online session such as myself, then you need to minimize, not close, but minimize your game. Now that we have minimized the game, we open up our browser. And now after we have opened up our browser, in the search bar we write Social Club. Then we go into the first website that we see called Rockstar Games Social Club. Social Club is basically the hub that connects every platform that people are playing on to one certain database which is connected to Rockstar Games. People that are playing on Xbox, PlayStation, Steam, Epic Games, they all need to connect their accounts. Now I'll show you how to connect yours or make sure that it's already connected. First off, when you get to the page, you navigate to the top right and see that if you're logged in. If you're not, log in or create an account, but after you log in, go to the top right and select this avatar right here. Then, after you have selected it, go down and scroll and go into the settings option. After you get redirected to this new page, you go into the linked accounts section right here. And here you make sure that your platform is connected. As you can see, me myself, I'm playing on Epic Games. If you're playing on Xbox or PlayStation, make sure to link those accounts by going to the link accounts section below and press link account. You open up a new tab in Google Chrome, write GTA Online license plate, and when you get here, you open up the first page available. After you open it up, you wait for it to load. And now press new order right here. Here you can select one of the 5 already made backgrounds for your license plate. For example, I want to use this one. And enter your text, you write the name that you want displayed in your license plate. And this is how I want it in my license plate. Then you press next. You select a vehicle that you want to add it. For example, I wanted to add it to my Turismo Air, and you need to enter a GTA Online session before placing your order. I've already joined the GTA Online session myself, and then I press place order. Now, I'll just pause the video until we are back inside the game. And now we're back inside the game. As you can see, I've gotten my Turismo Air, but the license plate is not updated. I'll show you how to get it updated. You press the escape button or the start button on your console. Then you find one of the Los Santos Customs shop. For example, here is one. I select it and I press enter. After I've pressed enter, I'll just drive to the Los Santos Customs and I'll be back. And we are back in front of Los Santos Customs. We drive into it. Let's get inside the workshop. Let's repair the vehicle first off. And as you can see in the top left, I have processed an order. I press enter and my Los Santos Customs order has been processed. My vehicle has been updated. Now that we drive out, I'll show you the license plate has been added to our vehicle. Let's see. And here it is. San Andreas, the guide license plate is here. That is it. Thank you for watching.